Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy vegetarian burrito bowl at home. This simple recipe brings together wholesome grains, protein-rich beans, and vibrant fresh vegetables for a satisfying meal. It is incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize it with your favorite ingredients. Get ready to create a flavorful and healthy dish in about 20 minutes, perfect for any day of the week. First, let's build our base with grains and protein. Cook 1 cup of your favorite grain, like fluffy brown rice or quinoa, according to package directions. While that cooks, prepare 1 can of black or pinto beans. Rinse them thoroughly, then season with a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Briefly sauté these seasoned beans with about a 1/4 cup of diced onion for a burst of savory flavor. Now, let's add the vibrant fresh toppings that make a burrito bowl truly special. Gather about 1 cup of sweet corn, half a cup of your favorite salsa, and 1 perfectly ripe, diced avocado. For a zesty finish, whisk together 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice with 1 tablespoon of olive oil to create a simple dressing. Don't forget a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a dash of hot sauce if you enjoy a little heat. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by layering your warm grain at the bottom of the bowl. Next, add a generous serving of your seasoned beans, followed by all those wonderful fresh toppings like corn, salsa, and avocado. Feel free to include optional additions such as a sprinkle of shredded cheese, a dollop of plain Greek yogurt for creaminess, or even some crushed tortilla chips for crunch. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, and healthy vegetarian burrito bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.